Let's take another question on the topic function, and this is very important one. Find the domain and range of the function fx, where fx is x upon 1 plus x square. Now, we know that to find out the domain of any function, always we have to see the right side. Right side basically gives you the idea that what values of x we should take. Now here I can see that the denominator of this expression that is defined for any real value, what I take from the set of real values are. Got it? So this is defined for all, numerator is defined for all, the domain of fx, it becomes the set of all real values, since 1 plus x square, which is a numerator, we have to check for both. So numerator, this is the denominator, and numerator, both are defined. So 1 plus x square is defined, x is defined. So ultimately, the whole expression would be defined for all the set of real values. So domain is R. Now to find out range of fx, I have to find out the values of y. For that, what do? I equate this fx, which is x upon 1 plus x square, is equal to y. Right now I'm going to cross multiply because I have to look for the values of y. That is going to make a collection of images, and collection of images is range. Okay, so x is equal to x square y plus y. I'm going to make it, or converting this into quadratic equation. For that I have to shift x this side, so it becomes x square y minus x plus y equal to 0. Since x is, because x is giving you the domain, x is belonging to R, right? Real values. So for that, it gives you the idea that the roots of this quadratic equation, they are belonging to the set of real values. It means if I find out discriminant from here, discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So now, if I put the value, B is minus 1, 4, A is y, and C is y greater than 0. So basically it is giving you 1 minus 4y square greater than equal to 0. I can break it into parts, 1 minus 2y, 1 plus 2y greater than equal to 0. Now if we use wavy curve method, from here I get two critical points. If you equate the first bracket to 0, it gives you one critical point is half, another critical point is minus half. Now then what do? We show these two critical points on the number line, minus half, plus half. Then we have to check. I have three parts on the number line, the first, second, and third. I have to check now which parts are making the whole product positive or equal to 0. Got it? So now, if I take any value between minus infinity to minus half, let's take minus 1. If I put that value minus 1 over here, this will become plus, but this factor will become negative. Positive into negative will become negative, but I have to look for the values which are making the whole thing greater than, means positive. So if this is going to make it negative, I have to discard it. Now, half onwards till infinity, if I take any value, for example 1, if I take that value 1 over here, this will become negative, this will become positive. Again, negative into positive will give you negative. So negative, discard. Now between minus half to half, this is actually, for example, if I take the value 0, put it over here. Now this is 1. If I put y0 to 1 into 1, this is positive, so I'll take that. Now whether should I include minus half or half? Yes, because it can be greater than 0 or equal to 0, and whenever I have to include the values, I completely shade the circle. This part is your answer. So y is belonging to minus half to half. So this is a way we find out the range of any question. I hope this is clear to you. Now keep watching the videos on the topic functions. Stay tuned.